Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to the channel. This is a process video for Shimmer's Paints, where I am going to be using the June Colors collection, or the Colors Kit, which has Don't Be Swayed colorings, Pull Me Closer swimmers, Rip Van Periwinkle vibes, Iris, My Case, shimmers, and then pipe cream spritz. Now the three that I am going to use, because it matches the Vicky Bouton collection that I pulled out, is the shimmers Pull Me Close, pipe cream, which is the new color of the month, and then the Rip Van Periwinkle, the vibes. I do have my title is my happy place found, and then my photo is going to be during one of my camping trips. The collection that I'm using is Wildflower and Honey, and I am pairing this with the Stash Dive into the Summertime that's done by Nicole. And the reason why I am pairing it is obviously this is on a Thursday, and what I am using is, let's see what she said. I know I found it. What was I going to do? Using the wood, twine, or acrylic on a project. And so this one I've had for a couple months now, and it's from Colorcast Designs, and it's acrylic piece. So I am going to be using that. That's how I'm participating on this Thursday. But my main focus is going to be the Shimmer's Paints. I did find a photo that I'm going to put up here that also is kind of the Stash Dive. It is from Yarielis Rodriguez. She does a lot of design team layouts for Vicky Bouton, and it's got some circles, and it's got a ton of mixed media, all of that fun stuff. So let's see what I can do with all of this. All right, so off camera, I used white modeling paste along with Pull Me Close, which is this blue color, and it masks it a little bit lighter. And I'm just going around in different areas and kind of leaving it to where I have a little bit of a space. Now this color is the Rip Van Periwinkle, and that one I mixed in with some glitter paste and came in with another stencil in between the spots that you can see. Now, I will tell you, I accidentally put a little bit too much of the liquid in there, and it did kind of bleed a little bit through the stencil, but it doesn't bother me because I actually like how this turned out. And then you will see that I did cut 3 circles, and they're 4-inch circles, and I wanted them to be like this because I'm going to bring in the Don't Be Swayed, the colorings, and you will see me use a little bit of a brush and some of it in there, and then you brush it on, and it is a little bit liquidy. So yes, it does bleed a little bit, but the more you use it, it softens it up. And really, in retrospect, it's just to give that background a little bit of a piece, like she did up front or up in my little photograph there. So I did realize that the photo that I originally cut was too small for this. You couldn't see it. So I needed to cut that other photo, or the photo, into a bigger photo. So I had to grab a new one, and then there it is. Now, the rest of it is all embellishments. Now, what I did is that I used up almost all of the embellishments, and I didn't put these together. I was playing around with it off camera to kind of see how I wanted to play this. And I absolutely love that I used the mintish color, which again is that Pull Me Close. So it's like a lighter bluish aqua color, and that periwinkle, because I masked most of these with the other colors, which is the title and the other flowers. Now, I did bring in the blues, as you can tell, but putting the reds and the yellows and the pinks and the corals that you see on these flowers that I cut out from one of the papers that I used. It works wonderfully. I love how this looks. And now pretty much I am just going through and embellishing and making them look right and just kind of like maximizing what space I have. Now you do see the Don't Be Swayed Me pop through. It's just not, I didn't make it, excuse me, I didn't want it to be like a main focal point because I wanted the other colors to pop out, but it's still part of the background. And in the still shots, you will be able to see the up and close and personal ones that you do see this color pop through. I love that I did do the circles a little bit bigger than how she did. And for her, she left it all in the circles and I popped it out of the circles. So it gave that much needed dimension that I felt that it needed. And plus, I did more stenciling. She did do stenciling, and I will link her video down below too, because she does have a video of how she does this, and I will link that down below as well so that you can see her take, or her original take on this versus my, with my take as well. So I'm just going through this set of stickers and embellishments that I have, and I really love how this turned out. I think it's just, it's perfect. I really love it. And then I do bring in the bees. I place the bees in different spots, and I find a way to get a butterfly and a bee in the circles, in all three circles, and then I have the bees kind of just placing just in different places. Now, right there, you can't really see that it's called a happy place found. Once I place down this, I feel like it pops it up, and then you can really like read it a little. It just made me feel a little bit better knowing that that's what I did to bring that title together. Now make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. Obviously, go check out everybody down below on the summer stash dive as well. We are doing that every Thursday for the next now 7 weeks. We just did one last week, so this is the second one. And then here I come in with the gold, and the gold is sunflower. And I felt that this is the right gold for that goldish color that's in some of our florals that made it into 2 out of the 3. Now I'm taking the back part of my my paintbrush and giving me those bigger dots and then splattering the rest. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.